and we pretty much amazing. Yeah, mind your manners, you hear me? And all the people should be raising their glasses. Flow crazy, celebrating the madness. I never thought I would deliver no classics. Then I hooked up with them and they delivered more classics. I've been keeping it true. Hotel good, long as I can peep on the view. Like, damn, how high are we? You gotta gamble in this life, Charles Ball. I'm overprotected, do the dopest of methods. Now my vocal perfected, this is audio breakfast, yes. So tell a hater here's a slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me.
Like me.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
There's no one like me. See, this is etiquette right here, you know what I'm saying?
There is no one like me.
Mind your manners. So say la la la, I arrive will lie. Black-eyed I am, I surprise will lie. And I can't rely on another guy. I was caterpillar into a butterfly. I'm living in the moment, why won't you go and own it? And we don't got the spirits, at least we could Corona it. Or the sake, homie, I'll be sipping tight, cool. And you get the wrong number if I don't like you. Say I'm the man, tell me why I gotta lie to anybody, I'm the best, girl, let me advise you. Why? Because I'm feeling invincible. Junior high school, I had a crush on the principal. I guess I was turned on by the leadership. Now we got the game wrapped up on some Peter shit. So tell a hater here's a slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me.
Like me.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
Like me. We gon' be here forever, man.
There is no one like me.
City.
There is no one like me.
Zafoon. Sam. Pretty much till they kick me out the booth. And we pretty much amazing.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like
Mind your manners.
There is no one like me.
Yeah, this is etiquette, bitches.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one
So you
like
could be searching and searching.
me. Take a second
Try to find someone better. How long will that take?
No one like me.
I'll wait.